Well, good morning, everybody. Here we are on Wednesday, March 7th, and I'm excited for you to do one of my favorite problems ever. It's called the In-N-Out Burger problem. And I'm sorry to start this off with some food pictures because I don't want you to be hungry right away. But here's our situation today. I absolutely love traveling to California. And if you've ever been to California, you hopefully have had the chance to go have an In-N-Out burger. And In-N-Out Burger is very famous in California and all along the west coast of the United States for being amazing, amazing, amazing burgers. So I want to tell you a story today, and there's a math problem connected to it. And here's the way the math problem goes. I want you to take a look at this picture, which is a picture of two single cheeseburgers. And I want you to think about what these cheeseburgers include. What is there that you see in this picture? What are the parts of a cheeseburger? And now I'm going to ask you to look at a picture of what they call at In-N-Out Burger a double-double. This is a picture of a double-double. I want you to think about what's the same about the double-double and the cheeseburger, and what's different about the double-double and the cheeseburger. Let me go back to the picture of the cheeseburger for a second. This is a picture, again, this is a picture of two cheeseburgers. This is one cheeseburger. So what is the same with this cheeseburger versus the double-double? And I'm going to ask you to record that. So what is included in the cheeseburger, and then what is included in the double-double? But if this were a story about just a single cheeseburger or a double cheeseburger, it wouldn't be that interesting. So let me tell you about not just a double-double, but a 20 by 20. Now this is a lot of meat and a lot of cheese. But again, I want you to think about what's the same and what's different. Now this weighs a lot, and it's got a lot of calories in it, and it also costs a certain amount of money. But it's not the largest hamburger that In-N-Out Burger has ever sold. On Halloween of 2004 in Las Vegas, a bunch of guys went to an In-N-Out Burger and they thought, what's the largest burger that we could possibly buy? They didn't just order a single. They didn't just order a double-double. They didn't order a 20 by 20. What they ordered was 100 by 100. That's right, 100 by 100. And the cooks at In-N-Out Burger were happy to make it for them. So my big question for you today is, how much did this 100 by 100 cost? The way that you're going to solve that is by figuring out, well, what's the difference between a single and a double-double? What's the difference between a single and a double-double? But what's the same about a single and a double-double? If you can have that information, then you can answer today's question, which is, how much did this monstrosity, this 100 by 100, cost? Now you need some information. And the information that I'm going to give you is the menu from Las Vegas in 2004. And with this, you should be able to answer the question. I will also add this as a bonus. In Las Vegas, in Nevada, in 2004, the state tax was 7.5%. So to get full credit on today's question, you need to be able to not only tell me how much does a 20 by 20 cost, how much does the 100 by 100 cost, but also how much did these guys pay in total, including the 7.5% tax. All right? It's a great question. I love this question. I hope you're going to have fun doing it. When you're done, I'm going to leave you a bunch of different activities to complete, so make sure you get those done. Here you go. Here's the menu, and you're going to want to keep this menu up. And there you are. Good luck. With this information, you have all you need to solve the problem.